Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to get this hairstyle. It's one of my absolute favorite go-to hairstyles for when I haven't really washed my hair. Maybe it's a little bit greasy, I don't want it on my face, I don't know what to do with it, and I'm wanting something that's more than just like a slicked back bun or a slicked back ponytail. This is like a next level. It's a little extra, a little spicy, a little fun. It's really pretty. So I'm going to show you how to do this style of ponytail so that your not hair wash days don't have to be boring. So the first thing that we want to do is I usually just go like down the sides of my forehead kind of a little bit like that and just gather like the really top part of the hair because we are going to be French braiding it, and I'm never good at this part, but just kind of play with it until you gather like an even amount because you do want it to look even. And then I'm not actually going to brush my part out, but I am going to brush my hair back, if that makes sense. So it's like it's gathered back, but I didn't really like get rid of my middle part. And then I'm just going to section my hair into 3 like you would if you're just going to do a braid, because we are going to do a braid, and start braiding it like this. And I like to only just like get the braid started. I don't like to braid down because I want the hair to like gather up. So I want to keep it up. And then what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna take like a pretty large section of hair, again, because I like the braid to be kind of more chunky. So do that, and then I don't use a brush, but you can if you want. Just try to get your piece as flat as possible. So this is a hairstyle that I would normally do when my hair is actually like a little bit greasy because I find it just works better. And I just washed my hair today, but I wanted to make this video, so here we are. I find, oh, that one worked well. I find like the hair will just go like flatter and nice if you haven't washed your hair in a day or two. And then I'm not too worried about, like, you can see there's little things poking up, and you'll see why in a minute. So then I only am going to gather hair to my ear, like so. So that was just 2 gathers on either side. That one gathered pretty nicely, and then do the same thing on this side. Just go to the ear. Oh, there we go. And so I'm sorry I'm not showing you the back. I mean, if you've never French braided before, maybe like look that part up first, but you're just doing like a really simple standard French braid just for like half of your head. And then what you want to do is here, maybe it's easier if I turn around. So I'm just like gonna do 1 time each, just so that I can feel where the base of the braid actually is, and then that's where I want to tie it. So I don't want to go any more past, like I don't want to keep braiding down my hair. Make sure there's nothing. Having long hair is like such a chore sometimes, let me tell you. Okay, so now that that's there, I'm just gonna push this down a little bit, and then I can mess up the braid and just like pull it out. So then it lays flat on your head. So that's why I wasn't worried before that there was like little pieces, because then I go back and I like loosen it out so that it's like falling nicely and it looks like more voluminous instead of like tight. So then that's where you're gonna leave it. And then you're gonna get a second hair tie, and you're going to gather the rest of your hair underneath So I gathered the rest of my hair underneath, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna pull this to the side, and I'm gonna bring this up beside it and pull that out. And then that's how I'm going to tie it. And you want to tie this one like really close to your head, and then make sure that that is tightened like this. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the front. So you could stop here if you wanted, but what I like to do is then I like to go, because this braided ponytail now is on the outside of where we secured it. So then I just go and I just take that extra one out like that. And there you go. Now you have a ponytail, but it's not boring. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know if you try this hairstyle. Talk to me in the comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know if there's any other hairstyles you'd like to see, but this is a go-to hairstyle I like to do, especially when, like I said, it's like day 2 or 3 and I haven't washed my hair. It's really nice to get it out of my face, but then it still looks super put together and you can't tell that like your hair is greasy or anything like that. So yeah, it's a great, great little like spicy ponytail to do. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.